ALA lighting. We will start with the driver's side front turn signal light. Locate the turn signal socket. Twist the socket counterclockwise. And remove the incandescent bulb. Install the all-new canvas LED turn signal light bulb and test it. No hyperflash issue. Next, remember to align the 4 tabs upon installation. Insert the socket back into the housing and twist clockwise to lock into place. Now, let's work on the passenger front turn signal. Pro tip: removing the battery will create additional space for installation. However, please be aware that it may cause the loss of personal setting. Reach down to the socket and repeat the same steps as the driver's side. Now you can see the difference between ALA lighting LED light versus the incandescent light. ALA lighting advanced LED lights for automotive.